the magic number, part 1. Why is 10 called the magic number? I don't think anybody else calls it the magic number. I just like what 10 does. It does some pretty neat things, and it makes your life easier. Let's take a look at that. For example, if we multiply 1,1276 by 10, you get 12,760. We just add a 0. You know that already. This also means that if you add 1,276 to itself 10 times, you also get 12,760. Try it if you want to. If you take 1,1276 and multiply by 100, you get 127,600. We just added 2 zeros, but you knew that already. Here's another neat trick. You can change the zeros on the 10 to exponents. So 1,276 times 10 squared, or 10 to the power of 2, it equals 127,600. So what does that mean? 10 with exponents. 10 with an exponent is just a shortcut to add zeros to a number. We all like shortcuts. They make lives easier. How many zeros are we looking at with 10 to the power of 23? Think about it. Let's do some practice. Alright, so we're going to do some practice using 10, the magic number. Alright, so 10 to the power of 2 equals how many zeros? Equals 100, right? 10 power of 3 equals 1,000. On the other hand, 10,000, that's 4 zeros, equals 10 to what power? Right? Now, let's try something a little different. I'll switch colors. What about 0.01 or 1/100th? That equals 10 to the negative 2. 0.01 or 1/10 equals 10 to the negative 1. Making sense? Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to get my thinking cap because this one's a little trickier. I have a lot of thinking caps. This is one of my favorites. You should get a thinking cap too. Get a thinking cap. Now. Put your hat on. You're not at school. Hopefully you're at home or somewhere else where you can wear a hat. I have mine. Very nice thinking cap. Try this. Try it. Try it. Get some paper. Try it. Maybe some markers. Or get your own whiteboard. I'm going to pick orange. Orange. 2. Does it look like a 2? No, it looks like a Z. 2.39. 2.39. Times 10 times 10 to what exponent? What exponent should we put on there? Let's put a 3. We'll put a 3 on there. How's that sound? So that means we need to add 3 zeros. But here's our decimal point. What are we going to do? 2, let's write the number down. 3, 9. And remember, when we're doing something like this, 1 times 10 to the third, that equals 1,000, right? 3 zeros. So now we have this decimal point. We notice, remember, if we erase this one, another way to write that number 1 is 1.0, right? So we took the decimal point that was here. Let me make a different color. Green. Took the decimal point that was right there and we moved it 1, 2, 3, and now it's over here. 3. 1, 2, 3. Was here. 1, 2, 3. So what do we need to put there? Thinking cap. Get one. Thinking cap. 0. Whoa, whiteboard's falling. Don't let your whiteboard fall. Ever. 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 I like that. Big finger. So, I'm going to give you a link, and I want you to practice, okay? So you're going to do some of this stuff on a link. Got it?